So you have finally decided to dissolve your Florida LLC. I know it's not the best decision, but you have to take it to move on in your life. I have seen many founders in the same place just like you are, but it's not the end. It's just a reset for your new beginning. So in today's video, I will walk you through the complete procedure on how to dissolve your Florida LLC legally, because many founders think that if I'm not using the LLC, it will be automatically dissolved or my agent will handle it for you. But that's not the complete truth. Even if you are not using your LLC, the state and the IRS still expect you to file your annual report, your IRS filing, etc., etc. Hey everyone, this is me Ashfaq Khatak, your US legal and tax expert. Today we are here again with a new video on how to dissolve your LLC in the Florida, because Florida is one of the most favorite and tax-free state. Most of the founders prefer to register their LLC in the Florida. So I decided to create a separate specific video for the Florida LLC owner. If they ever want to close their business legally, how can they do? Before starting our video, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with your friends and colleagues, because the content I share with you guys is the most premium and paid content, and no any channel on the whole YouTube can give you this type of content which I am giving, and I can guarantee this for you. So I hope you guys support us so we can keep creating such type of content for you. So let's start. In the LLC dissolution, there are two steps involved. One is on the state level dissolution, other is on the federal level, means your EIN closure. On the state level dissolution, if your LLC is active, then how to dissolve it? Remember, some of LLC founder doesn't renew their LLC on time, which results in the administratively dissolution of their LLC. What does meant by administrative dissolution of LLC? It means that the state administration decide to keep your LLC inactive because you haven't renewed it on time. You didn't pay the renewal fees, so they administratively dissolve it. Now, if you want to keep use it, you have to pay the penalty fee, and then you have to pay the annual report fee in order to keep running your LLC. But if you are here for the LLC dissolution and your LLC is already administratively dissolved, it means the state has already dissolved it, so it's fine. You don't have to do anything on the state level. Even that's not a voluntarily dissolution, but it has been done, so you don't have to do it on the state level. But let's say if it's active and now you want to voluntarily dissolve your LLC, then you have to follow the complete procedure. What's that? You simply have to go to the Sunbase Florida LLC dissolution, enter your LLC document number. It will just ask you some basic information, your effective date of dissolution, your name, email, and it will ask for only $25 fees. You can file it and it will be dissolved in 2 to 3 days. A good point for the Florida LLC owner is that you don't need any sort of clearance certificate, just like in the Texas it is required. Without clearance certificate, you cannot dissolve your LLC in the Texas, but in Florida, no such restrictions are there. You simply go to the Florida state website and you can file the article of dissolution and it will be dissolved within 2 to 3 days. Now, on state level, your LLC is dissolved. The next step is that if you have any sort of sale tax permit, you have to file your final sale tax return, and then you have to close your sale tax permit, because if you don't close your sale tax permit, the state will keep sending you notices to file your sale tax return. So it's better to just close your sale tax permit. Now, the state level job is done. On the federal level, you have to file your federal income tax return, but remember that would be your final tax return. When you check on the final tax return, the IRS will automatically get a signal that this entity isn't working at all, so they will not expect your future tax return. Now, question arises, sir, which form I need to file? It depends on your entity type. If you are a single member LLC, disregard entity means a single member LLC owned by a non-US resident, then you have to file your form 1120 plus form 5472. But remember to check the final tax return. If you have a multi-member LLC, means a partnership, then you have to file form 1065. And if you have a C Corp, means INC, then you have to file form 1120 and mark it as a final tax return. Now, your tax obligations are done, but keep this in mind, it will not delete your EIN, it will only remove your tax filing obligation. Now, if you want that my EIN number is permanently deleted from the IRS record, what you have to do, you have to simply write a formal letter to the IRS in which your name, your LLC name, your EIN number, and a short note that this LLC is officially dissolved. Please delete this number from this entity. Or you can simply generate a small note from your ChatGPT and simply mail it to the IRS. You have to mail it, you can't fax it. Okay, so after mail it, it can take almost 30 to 60 days for the IRS to process your EIN delete application, and you can get your confirmation letter from the IRS that your EIN has been deleted. Now the state level dissolution has been done, your sale tax permit has been closed, your federal return has been filed, your EIN deletion application has been sent to the IRS. The second last step is to close all your bank account voluntarily or any payment processor you have. For that, you simply have to go to your bank account application, you go to the setting, and you can just click on the delete my account and it will be automatically deleted. Last but not the least, you must have your register agent subscription, because without register agent you cannot register your LLC, and you need your register agent to receive all of your documentation. As your LLC has been officially dissolved, you don't require your register agent services. For that, you need to send an email to the register agent that my LLC has been officially dissolved now. I don't need your register agent services. Please cancel my subscription. They will just simply cancel your subscription and they will not keep sending you reminder for the renewal and all that stuff. Now, this was the complete procedure on how to dissolve your LLC officially in the state of Florida. But if you can't handle all this paperwork and stuff and keep contacting the state and the IRS, Startup Consultancy can help you, because at Startup Consultancy we have helped more than 1,000 customers with their LLC formation, taxation, LLC dissolution, amendment, ITIN and trademark. So we can also help you in the LLC dissolution. Simply go to the Startup Consultancy official website, order your service, and our team of experts will handle your case and you can have a peace of mind. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Take care. Thank you so much.